Having problems with your car is never a nice experience, but it happens. And when it does, it's important to get it repaired as quickly as possible. This is where we can help you. We are local, fully trained, and certified mechanics, and we're ready to solve any issues you may have with your car. We will handle all the car-related needs quickly, professionally, and at an affordable price. So don't panic and call the first auto repair shop you find. Contact us today and we'll get you back on the road in no time at all.